My fans on YouTube, we don't really post much, but all right, here's what we got. This is Jared. He's one of the owners of Chassis Works. This is his track car. Recently we had a little incident where someone parked the freaking car between these two, and we wound up hitting it without, because we couldn't see it. It was late night one night. Anyhow, this whole hub is actually pushed in like this. It got kinked. My suggestion, I think, is that somewhere between here, this backing plate got bent and caused the whole thing to turn this way. What we're gonna do is we're gonna correct all this. This is the Hones geometry correction kit from, these guys are from Australia. Look at this, this is cool shit right there. Really cool stuff. The kit's fine, everything was measured out, and it is kicked out. It's actually kicked out that much, so we're gonna do that today, is correct that. All right, Jared, let's do this.
My LEDs are falling down.